This video is called Hats by Meg and Shelby.
Hi! Today I'm going to show you a collection of my favorite hats. Tiger hat. Cheetah hat. Howdy, how y'all doing? Cowboy hat. Fighter hat. Minnie Mouse hat. Butterfly hat. Sailor hat. Power Ranger hat. I'm a cheetah again.
Hi, I am the farmer.